Use your spoon. Use your spoon, Maddie. 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 Babe, can you have her use her spoon, please? She's making a mess. What's up, folks? It's Wednesday. Tomorrow is our anniversary. It's on the 15th of November, and then on Sunday is Madison's second birthday. Can you guys believe that? She's 2. She will be 2. And then the boys will be Tuesday. They will be 12. So tomorrow, go have a seat. I didn't ask you anything. Thank you very much. Tomorrow, my husband and I are celebrating 12 years. 12 years. It's kind of surreal that we made it this far. We don't have any plans. I'm tired. I'm so tired. But I have 2 more days to go. This is Jaxson. He is the first of the twins. He is basically twin A.
I'm twin B.
I'm twin A, so I'm twin A, and you're twin A. And then you have twin B over there. My twin B is at work. Cover your chest. Cover your name. Your name? Okay. And this is Jordan. Jordan is twin B.
Hi.
Say hi, not hey.
Hi.
So that's what Jordan looks like. They're not identical. They're fraternal. And it's easy to tell them apart because Jordan does not like to make eye contact.
But he doesn't. He doesn't.
Is Daddy talking to you through the camera again? Tell him it's too cold and we're not about to walk Juju all the way in the back. And if he wants to have a conversation, tell him to call like normal people do. Over here talking to the kids through the camera system. He does that all the time. Good morning, Maddie. Maddie, good morning. And then we have Jaxson over there. Jaxson is the baby.
Look at Jordan.
And he does not get along with Jordan.
Yeah. No, I get along with my face. That's me. I don't know why. And Daddy.
Oh, you're a hot mess. Who gave you pudding so early in the morning? I bet you Destiny gave you pudding so early in the morning.
I tried to get away from her.
Come do your hair. I'm gonna pick up my children from school. I stay looking like a bum, and I be acting like it ain't winter outside, but I stay looking like a bum all day, every day. Leah, where's mommy's shoes? I didn't take them out the car. I didn't take them out the car. What do you mean you don't know? Not my boots. She brought me my boots. Why you get so excited, girl? All right, thank you. Oh my gosh. I came across these videos on YouTube. Oh my Lord. These people out here just be doing the most for YouTube. I'm like, why? Why? You don't have to exploit your family in that manner to get a little penny, you know what I mean? These people just be doing the most. Come here, baby. Come here. My alarm is going off. Juju, I'll be back, okay? Watch. Watch the house. Oh. Oh my word. I'm always so afraid that I'm gonna lock myself out. Come here, baby. You ready? Yeah. Yeah. So it's time to go get some kiddos. Like Jaxson said, it's time to get some kiddos. Yeah. Let's go get some kiddos.
Go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through.
I love these lights. I think they're so
sexy. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time. Just like another season. Maybe this time next year you'll reappear for no reason.
So, yes, I got some recommended videos. I don't know why these channels that are being recommended to me, like I watch a few and I'm like, oh yes, you know, someone I can relate to. And it's just the other day I was like, I need to find more, you know, black vloggers that, you know, vlog their family. And I found this one girl and I was like, okay. And I started watching, and then I think after about 2 minutes, after about 2 minutes, I was like, nope. It was just too much cuss. It wasn't even the fact that they were cursing. It was the fact that they had a little girl in the car. Couldn't be more than 7 or 8. And they were just mother this and mother that. I'm like, nope. I mean, if they do it around themselves, that's okay. But when you're doing it in front of little kids that they can't help themselves, you know. So I'm just like, no. And then I found another one, and it's just trash. It's just a lot of trash. And I'm just like, whatever. I'm just gonna stick to the ones that I have. The people that, you know, I don't know. But I'm gonna go grab my kiddos. Yeah. I'm gonna go grab my kiddos. Mommy. I love this song. Mommy. Yes? Uh-huh. I love this song.
About this girl I just meet. She looking fly, yeah, she looking at the boys looking like money.
I love this song. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so I wanted to get the camera, but I couldn't get the camera fast enough. But a bit of an update on Jordan. I did get in contact with the school district here in our state, and she just called me, and what is gonna happen is that, seeing as though he's coming from a different state, they have their different, you know, requirements and rules and stuff that they gotta go by. Hold on, I gotta get Miss Maddie her drink. So there's a psychologist that works with their school. Thank you, Jesus. I get in contact with the psychologist to set up an appointment to have Jordan reevaluated if I can't get any of his IEP information from his old school, or if it's not current. I'm pretty sure it's current, because right before school let out in the summer, I went to an IEP meeting for Jordan, so I'm 99% sure that it's current. So that's the update on Jordan for right now. Use your spoon, Maddie. Maddie, babe, can you have her use her spoon, please? She's making a mess on the table, but she decides to lick the whole plate.
So we're trying to make tiny food. Guys,
Honey, that trash bag needs to go up, please.
Guys, we tried to make Chinese food.
Yeah, we tried to make Chinese food. It didn't.
I just like the chicken instead.
I'm feeding my thing in the background.
Oh no, no, no.
Ah, that was good.
Was dinner good, mommy?
What's dinner? What?
Madison, was it good? Yes. We need to get that hair out your face.
Dinner was good.
Dinner was good?
My hair was out of my face.
Did you like it? Yeah?
Yeah. If I would go back for a second, I'd get the chicken.
You would get the chicken?
Yes.
What about you, Jordan? Was it good?
You can get second if you want.
No, I don't want no rice. Is there more chicken?
There's a few pieces.
I guess so.
You gotta take some of the rice.
Okay. That's fine with me.
You guys going back for seconds?
Just for a little bit.
You going for seconds? You want seconds? Really?
I'm getting a little
You want some
bit.
chicken? I'll give you some chicken. Come on.
I'll get a
Maddie, you want seconds? You want some seconds? You want seconds? No? You need to be wiped up before you touch anything.
I'll just get
Can you wipe her up for me while I give the other kids seconds? You guys got it?
Yeah.
Okay.
How many can you get?
I don't know how many is in there, but you have to leave enough for everyone else.
No, there's not.
Okay, Jason, that's good enough. Because then your brother needs to get.
I'm just.
You getting, Jordan?
No.
Just take what you have and have a seat. Get the rice. And then you drink some water and call it a night.
Yes. Are you going?
What is that? That's not mine. That's your dad. You don't want to drink from someone else. Madison! Whoa there. What are you doing? What are you doing?
I want them.
That's not your chair. That's your sister's cup. Do you want some juice? Yeah? Say juice, please. It's snowing, guys. Thank you, baby.
Do you and Daddy want coffee?
Daddy's not here. Daddy went to work. Oh my gosh, look at that, guys. Snow! We have snow. Say, guys, we have snow. We have snow.
We are snow.
And they're home from school eating cereal.
Yeah. Trash. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. You want coffee? Good morning.
No, I'll make it. Okay, hubby's home. And,
So, your nurse, I guess, is over. Can you season this?
Really, Rob? Can you get this out of my shot? Like, seriously. Okay, so it's snowing really bad, and I'm so thankful that he was able to make it. Let me show you guys how bad the snow is. Like, it's really, really bad. So I'm happy that he made it home, and even though it's really snowing, he found a way to get me some roses. So I got a dozen roses that I'm about to put in some water. He got my favorite chocolate, because I love this, and I've never had these. Well, I think I have, but they're not like my favorite or anything, but this is my favorite, like by far my favorite. And a bottle of wine, and to celebrate 12 years. Yeah, so happy anniversary to me. Well, to us. It's not just my anniversary. Hey guys, so it's snowing like really bad. Hubby just got home. I think he's about to cook. And if I know my husband at all, I'm pretty sure he's gonna grill.
Mommy, which jacket? The red one?
Yeah, your big jacket. You need more clothes, because it's gonna get snow is gonna get all over. He's about to cook, because I'm not cooking. He's about to pamper moi, and Madison's sleeping. Oh my word, Madison got in my room, and my husband was looking for the lube. because we have lube. Don't ask why we have lube. It's none of your business why we have lube, but found the lube, put it down on my nightstand. I was gonna record it, but I was like way too upset. Madison went, took the lube off my dresser, opened the lube, and poured it all on my carpet. So needless to say, my carpet is extra. Oh, they plowing the roads. My lube is now on my carpet, so if I ever need it, I might well just go sit in it, you know. TMI. So she had a little, I had to discipline her because I feel like Maddie feels like she can do whatever she wants to do, and no, that's not how we operate in our family. No child of mine has ever gotten away with as much as Maddie has gotten away with. So I had to spank her. I had to spank her, and it. I put her in a room for timeout, and I think she understands what she did wrong, because when I told her to go back to her room because she wanted someone to comfort her, and I'm like, no, even though I really wanted to comfort her, but I'm like, if I go and just, you know, comfort her after discipline her, she's not gonna learn anything from that. So she's gonna continue doing what she feels like. But then a couple minutes later, I had to go and grab my baby. I had to hug her. Oh, I felt like a horrible mother. A horrible mother, because she's not even 2 yet. But at the same time, I want her to understand that she can't just do whatever she pleases. My battery's dying, so I'm gonna go charge that, and I'll be right back.
How does it smell? How does it smell?
Smell like roses.
Go ahead, Jan.
What did you ask?
Yep, one for you. Really? You have to touch me?
Sorry, Daddy, I'm not paying.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You just brushed me.
I did not brush anything.
Yes, you did.
Daddy, I'm sorry. Stop in your spot.
I love my
Okay?
paw. So pretty.
Yeah, but
So pretty. Good morning. Pretty. So pretty. How are you gonna help me clean today? Didn't you say you was gonna help me clean today? Did you say you was gonna help me clean today? Yes.